Hanumate Namah.
Okay, see the error manufacturer programming mode is in unlock. Okay, how to now remove this error today I will show you. Okay, first go to window directly. Okay, we have to boot the hard drive. Okay, how to remove this error. Okay. Hard drive setting, I think so. Okay, no issue. This is the hard drive. Okay. Okay, now window is open. Okay, first check its bit. Okay, is it 32 bit or 64 bit? This PC properties. It's too fast system, no? Okay, it's a 64 bit operating system. Okay, now just close it. Okay, we have a software, so that we will remove this error. Okay, it's in pen drive. I will. Okay, just copy that file from the pen drive. Run laptop. Okay, this is the pen drive. Okay, and this is the software. Okay, just copy this software on the desktop. Okay. Okay, see. Right now our one is 64 bit, na?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. No. Just run this tool. Okay. Okay, now press any key to continue. Okay, now continue. So, see, it's asking for the selection MPF unlock Windows 32 or 64. Right now, our one is 34. Sorry, 64 now. So select type to enter. Okay. Yes. See, this is the text file they have opened. Now, this text file having an option to insert the serial number, see SKU number, product name, UUID. You can change everything from here. Okay, I am just changing the manufacture mode. Okay, see, this is the manufacture mode. Star is in unlock option. Okay, so what we will do, just cut from here, go to lock and paste here. Okay, now close this. It will ask you to save this. Okay, now it's asking for the changes. Okay, we have to make the changes. Press yes, enter. Press any key to continue. It's off. Done. Now, okay, let's restart Madhita directly. No, I will directly restart it. Now error has been removed. Through this option, you can insert the serial number, SKU number, PPID, everything you can. Okay. Laptop on its slow, man. It's a Celeron. No, it's see, no error. See, it's asking, telling you the product information not valid. Please following the product information program system board means it's telling you to the insert the details, motherboard details. Okay, same process we will done. Okay. Okay, so if you want to restart again, okay, restart again, mpm error will be removed. It's completely, see again, I have just restarted it. Okay, see, no errors. Okay, no error, mpm error also removed, serial number. Okay, same process for the serial number. If you want to now insert the serial number, SKU number, same thing. Okay, you have to type the manually. See, it's detail on the back side, na? Serial number details. Okay, this is the serial number. Okay, and this is the model number. This one is the product ID, means SKU number is called the product ID. You have to insert this manually. Okay, just insert it and save the text. Same thing. Okay, now error has been removed. This is the simple process how to remove the mpm error. Okay, thank you.
So if you want to get the knowledge on bias modding, you can just purchase our Hindi edition. All the videos are available already, and along with that there are many case studies as well as some videos theoretically on impedance and voltages are also there. With the help of DSO, how you can check the motherboard are also included on this videos. So complete package is of around 40 plus videos. You can, if you like, you can just purchase them. It is a full of knowledge. You can enjoy the videos, and it is 100% money back videos. Your money will not be wasted for that. So if you like to join our bias and schematics group, you can also contact us for joining that. As well as we also have a training program of laptop chip level, advanced level. If you like to join that, you can also come and join that. So thanks for watching Aditya 11 Triple T YouTube channel. If you like our channel, do hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. Thanks a lot.